Let's now go to gallbladder conditions. Let's discuss improper function. In contemporary physiology, the gallbladder is attached to the back of the liver by connective tissue and has the following functions. It acts as a reservoir for bile, which is excreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, ready for use in digestion. It concentrates the bile by extracting water from it. When fats are present in the duodenum, the tube through which food exits the stomach, it releases bile into the duodenum to break down the fats to aid in their digestion. In the Neijing, the gallbladder's main function was considered to be mental, that of making decisions. Due to the close functional link between the liver and gallbladder, bile is produced by the liver. In an acupuncture clinic, it would often be impossible to determine whether certain signs and symptoms were due to malfunction of the liver or gallbladder. For example, the following signs and symptoms would be due to malfunction of either pain in the liver region, jaundice, nausea, and a bitter taste in the mouth. However, also due to this close functional link, treating the liver with acupuncture would also treat the gallbladder. For this reason, there is not usually the need to separately consider conditions of the gallbladder. Also, due to this close relationship, acupoints on the gallbladder meridian are often used to treat liver conditions. For example, the acupoints gallbladder 34 and gallbladder 41 are used often to treat stagnated liver function. Since also due to this close relationship, these acupoints often become tender when the liver function stagnates. The mental functions of the gallbladder. Through observations of mental and emotional symptoms and responses to the treatment, the Neijing authors were able to observe that the gallbladder was responsible for the ability to make decisions and the courage to act on them. When the gallbladder is not functioning well, patients are usually indecisive and timid, which symptoms tend to clear once gallbladder function has returned to normal. This mental function can be graphically observed in contemporary patients whose gallbladder has been surgically removed. They state that they are now unable to make the simplest of decisions, which they clearly associate with the removal of their gallbladder. Unfortunately, this condition cannot be treated with acupuncture since the treatment relies on the presence of the organ. In patients whose job involves much decision making, the gallbladder meridian on their legs is often tender when pressed. And when we test this and the patient finds it particularly tender, they will often say they had a hard week at work and feel decision fatigue. This is also noticeable in a patient who comes for treatment after having made some hard decisions recently. Thank you for your attention.